So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search for hotels on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Now once you're on Expedia, either go to the home screen, so go to the bottom left and press on stay, or go to where it says search here at the bottom left and press on stay in the top left. Now for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and press on New York City right here for this demonstration, then press on search at the bottom. Now if you're looking for hotels in specific, so this would take away, Airbnbs, this would take away VRBOs, basically all of those kind of things that aren't considered quote unquote hotels. Go to the top left here to where it says New York. Below that, there's the filters tab, so sort and filters, press on that. Now if you scroll down, all the way down towards this popular filters and press on hotel. Make sure that hotel is selected. So once hotel is selected, you can go to the bottom now and press on done. Now when you go ahead and search, all your options that you're going to be looking for will actually be hotels instead of Airbnbs, or basically other accommodations in regards to a stay other than a hotel. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to search for hotels on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.